Dear students, good noon. I welcome you to online class arranged by Government KUP Degree College. I am Bulurani Ghosh, lecturer, Department of English. Today, I will take class for HSC English first paper, and today's topic is summary and theme. I know very well that most of you become confused to differentiate what is summary and what is theme, and you are always in a hurry to write something in short in both cases. But I will show you how we can present the both separate item separately. In this case, we need some passages or poems, so I will use the screen, and at first I will show you what is summary and what is theme. In the screen you will see what is summary. A summary is a retelling of a main plot, points and characters developments without going into elaborate details about those things. Usually you have a passage, then you write some sentences from this. No, you should understand the meaning of the passage. What is it saying? That means what the author is trying to tell us. What is the author telling us? This is the theme. That means the main points, it's a factual. What is written in the passage should be described in brief. It is the summary. Now, if you think about theme, the theme is how this story relates to life. The same passage, what is asserted there, it should be written in summary. But how this story relates to life, consider the story's events and characters as evidence of author's thinking. That means it is the thing. That means theme is the thing that you find inside the story, inside the plot, or inside the passage, or inside the poem. That means it is related to your thinking. Now, I will show you the differences between a summary and a theme. Look at the screen. I will show you the differences between theme and summary. Theme. Theme could be a sentence or even a word or a passage also. But a summary, a passage of main points. Usually we write 1/3 of the main passage. You know it very well. Yes, you can write 1/3 of the passage in theme also. But a theme can be expressed even in a sentence or even in a word. Then, theme, underlying meaning. Theme is the underlying meaning or author's message. That means what the author want to deliver through the writing, not what is he saying. You can grasp the meaning reading the passages again and again. You have to go inside the sentences. But the summary is explicit story. That means what is written there. You have to state the story or plot or poem in your own word, but what is the thing delivered there should be presented through a summary. Then come theme. Could be interpretation or opinion of a particular topic. That means if I go through a text, I have some opinion about it. But in the summary, factual recollection of what actually happens in a story. Look there, notice it, no personal opinion in summary. But in a theme, you can express your personal opinion, your understanding or your interpretation. Now, the next point, theme could be out of text. It is similar to the previous topic, but summary is strict to the text. That means in a summary you have to write what the story or the plot is telling us. But in a theme you can write what you understand from reading the text. That means it can be out of the text. It can be in your own interpretation. Then come to the last point. As the theme is the understanding of the reader, the interpretation of the reader, or it can vary from person to person. But in the summary, it is fixed to everyone. Everyone should write almost same type of summary. But theme, it can be vary from person to person. As the person's opinion is different, the theme can be different. Now, I will show you an example of a poem and writing both theme and summary from the same poem. It would be more clear to you what is the differences between them. Let's do it. Here is a poem, The Road Not Taken. Now, I will show you the summary and the theme. In the poem, The Road Not Taken, the road symbolizes our life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. He describes his feelings about the choice that he had left in the past. The path which we have chosen decides our future, our destination. This is the summary. That means the poem tells these things and we are presenting this in a brief manner, in a short. But what happened to the theme? When you are writing theme, you have to go inside the poem. You can express your opinion about the poem. You should deliver the message that the writer is trying to give us. So, look at the theme. The main theme of the poem, The Road Not Taken, is that human beings are confronted with and defined by the choices they make. The main idea of the poem is that the speaker is confronted with this fork in the road and must make a choice as to which road to take. So, what is the difference? The difference between the summary and the theme is, in a summary, you should write what is the passage saying. And in the theme, you should write what the passage trying to tell us. That means the inner meaning. To terminate the class, I want to say one thing or warn you one thing. The whole world is running through a pandemic situation, the coronavirus, COVID-19, and the best way to keep ourselves safe, to stay home and keep ourselves clean and sanitized all the time. So, my dear students, stay home, stay safe. God bless. Thank you.